Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. So today in this video, I am going to show you few plain kurti designs which you can try from your plain fabric, and there are n number of patterns which you can create with your plain fabric. So continue video till the end. So let's get started. So my first design is this organza fabric kurti. It's an anarkali kurti, and here few pintuck work is given in the neckline and in the sleeves. This is a long sleeves pattern kurti and it's a A-line pattern kurti. So you can try this out with your plain organza fabric. So this is another very unique pattern you can try with your plain fabric. Here a V-neck kurti is given, and there are two pieces which you have to cut, the upper portion and the lower portion. It's you have to join it by using a contrast color piping, and you need to give this inverted V-neck pattern. And in the sleeves also they had added some contrast color strips, so you can try this pattern out. Here tuck pleats are also given from the waistline till the hip line. This is another unique pattern. Here pintuck work is given in a crisscross way, and a side belt is also given here, and a few tassels are attached in the blocks. So this again a very unique pattern you can try with your plain cotton fabric. This is another party wear pattern. Here V-neck is given, few accessories you can add near the neckline, and it is cut like a princess cut, and they had attached a loop near the waistline, and sleeves are also given in a asymmetrical way. You can try this out from your plain silk fabric, and you can combine it with any Banarsi dupatta. Just like pintuck works, you can also add a thin golden color laces in your kurti like this. You can see from the neckline till the waistline it is attached in a vertical way, in a parallel way like this, and in the bottom part you can simply add the umbrella cut pattern with the smallest pleats, and this fabric also used in the palazzo, and the golden lace is also used here with a slanting line of curve. So this also you can try for your party wears. With plain cotton fabric, you can make a short kurti with a palazzo pant for your office wears, and here they had make it a very simple kurti except the sleeves, and the sleeves best part is it's a bell sleeves pattern, and they had attached 2 layers of bell sleeves and also given a elastic to give a frill kind of look. Now this is again a very simple pattern of kurti where pintuck work is given in the sleeves and in the bottom of the kurti, and placket is given, and few buttons are also attached there. Laces is also attached to decorate the neckline, and near the waistline they had given pleats. 2 pleats are given near the waistline. So this is again a very interesting pattern. This is again a very beautiful and a daily wear kind of kurti. You can try this in your offices too. It's combined with a simple white palazzo pant. Here to make the kurti you need to cut the simple high-low cut pattern which you can see here, and near the neckline you need to leave around 2 inches of fabric, and then while making the inverted box pleat you need to insert few loops. Like you can see here they had given loops from the waistline till the hip line, so you need to attach these loops, and you will get this kind of pattern. The sleeves are cuff sleeves, and it's a long pattern, cuff sleeves. So this is again a very beautiful pattern you can try with your plain cotton fabric. This is again a very nice pattern. Here the collar is given with the plain kurti, and placket is also given with the potli buttons. The loops or potli buttons you can try in the sides also. As you can see, this is again a very interesting pattern to make your simple plain kurti into a designer one. Angarakha kurtis are very simple, but here they had given a twist by adding a long collar and a few potli buttons or fabric buttons with a tassel, and the overlapping part is in a slanting way. Plain kurtis can also be decorated by using a simple lace work like this, and different kind of neckline can be given. Like here you can see a small round neck with a side cut is given. So this is again a very simple and easy pattern you can try with your plain fabric. This is again a simple straight cut kurti which can be made by using a simple plain cotton fabric, and here the main attraction is the loops. You can see the loops are given from the waistline to all the way from the neckline till the waistline. So it's again a very interesting pattern you can try. And here the sleeves are of long sleeves with a cuff pattern. This is also a simple straight cut kurti. Here the long V neck has to be given till the waistline, and then a placket is attached in the gap. So this is again a very nice neckline which you can try by using a contrast color lace in the sleeves and in the neckline pattern. In the sleeves also they had given pin tuck work, so this also you can try. This is a plain umbrella cut kurti. Here you can try a cotton or chiffon fabric also. You can try. This will give a flowy kind of look to your outfit. And here the main attraction is the pin tuck work, which is given in the top part and in the sleeves part, and it's given in the crescent cross way. So this is again a very beautiful kurti pattern which you can try. They had given a halter neck, so you can just avoid it and give a simple V-neck pattern. That is up to you. Plain white cotton or chiffon fabric can also be used to make these beautiful anarkali pattern. Here in the top part they had given a princess cut, and in the bottom part you can simply attach a rectangular piece by giving a small pleats, and they had given it in a two parts, and in the bottom part also they had given a rushed pleats. So this is again a very interesting pattern. This is again a plain kurti pattern which you can try by giving a collar, and few pin tuck work is given from the shoulder till the waistline, and in the sleeves part they had given a printed strip which is attached to just give a decorative look. And this is a umbrella cut kurti, so you can try this out and combine it with a simple palazzo or leggings. Plain fabrics kurti can also be enhanced by adding a contrast color placket and a few patches of contrast color fabric in the sleeves pattern. So this is again a very beautiful and easy pattern you can try and wear in your offices, which will give you a very classic look. This is a very comfortable kind of umbrella cut kurti with a high-low pattern, and a pocket is given here, a collar is given here, and it's a front open kurti. I had made a video about the decorative buttons you can try with your plain kurti, so you can refer that, and you can place any kind of fabric buttons in your plain kurti and create it in this way. You can wear this with a loose palazzo pant. For this kurti, a cotton silk fabric is used. Here you can see a front pleated kurti is made by giving a slanting line near the waistline till the shoulder line. So you need to cut out your kurti in this way and then give a pleated work to attach both the top and bottom pieces. So this is again a very beautiful design you can try. If you know a little bit embroidery, you can do as well, or else you can just decorate it by using a lace. If you are having a plain chiffon fabric with you, then you can try this kind of kurti. It's a simple umbrella cut kurti where a collar is given in a overlapping way, and here you can do few embroidery work also, and just give a little bit small pleats from the neckline itself till the total length of your kurti. This is again a very unique pattern which you can try from your plain cotton fabric. Here the collar work is given in an overlapping way, and two fabric buttons are attached there. The pin tuck work is given in the half part of your kurti, and the half part is plain itself. The pin tuck work is given from the neckline till the waistline, and it is left like that. So this is again a very unique pattern you can try from your plain fabric. This is again a very beautiful pattern. Here in the half part of your kurti, it has given a pintuck work from the neckline till the length of your kurti, and overlapping pattern of angarakha is also given to just cover it out. So this is again a very beautiful pattern. This is again a very beautiful yoke pattern kurti. Here you need to cut the yoke pattern till the chest line, and then just cut the rectangular piece and attach it from the top part by giving a small pleats, and also decorate your neckline by giving a few flower stitches if you know any, or you can just add few mirror works or any lace work, whatever you like. This is a front pleated kurti. This you can make by using your plain silk fabric, and here few fabric buttons or potli buttons can also be attached near the waistline, and simple small pleats are given to attach the top part. This is again a very beautiful party wear piece. Here potli buttons are attached in the waistline, and simple pleated work are given to attach the top and bottom part. The sleeves are puff sleeves, and it's a cuff pattern long sleeves. You can use this kurti with any block printed dupatta or any fulkari or banarsi, whatever contrast color combination you have, you can try that out. Now these kind of kurtis can be made by using a raw silk fabric which is a little bit shiny. You can make plazo from that same fabric also, and here the joining is in a inverted V shape. Just cut your front part in a inverted V shape, and then join your bottom part in that way only. Just give a little bit small pleats, and you're ready with your party wear kurti. Just wear this with any contrast color dupatta you have. This is a simple straight cut kurti. Here front buttons are given. It's a front open kurti. So to decorate this kurti, they had given a pintuck work. So for that you need to first convert your plain fabric into a pintuck work fabric. So just give leaving around ½ inch, give a pintuck work to all over your fabric, and then cut your kurti in a princess cut way. It has given a princess cut, and they had joined these two pieces, top and bottom, together. They had also given a pocket to enhance its design further, and attach wooden buttons or any kind of contrast color fabric buttons if you like. So I hope you like these designs. If you like it, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.